Hello dear friends and students, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. I am your Amin sir. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Now I am going to discuss about a nice grammar which will help you to increase your writing skill. আজকে তোমাদের সামনে যেটা তুলে ধরছি সেটা একটা সুন্দর গ্রামার যার নাম হচ্ছে মডাল অক্সিলারি okay. What is called modal auxiliary? It is a type of helping verb that indicates the mood of the main verb. Modal auxiliary হচ্ছে এক রকমের সাহায্যকারী ক্রিয়া যেটা মেন ভার্বের মুডটাকে অ্যাকশনটাকে নির্দেশ করে। ওকে, যেখানে এক্সাম্পল can একটা modal auxiliary. You can use this modal auxiliary for this purpose, for three purpose up to this one. Ability, সক্ষমতা বোঝাতে, I can do the work. Request, can you give me your friend? Permission, can I do the work? So we can use this modal auxiliary, that is can, for ability, request, permission. Likewise, could, it could be used for request, probability, suggestion. Request, could you lend me rupees 100? আমাকে কি দয়া করে 100 টাকা ধার দেবে? Probability, it could rain today. আজকে বৃষ্টি হতে পারে। It could rain today. Suggestion, you could go to the market. তুমি বাজারে যেতে পারো। বা you could arrange a picnic. Okay. Number 3, may. Permission. This modal auxiliary may, it is used for permission, probability, request. Okay? Permission. May I come in? Wants permission. Probability. You may win the game. তুমি আজকে খেলায় জয়লাভ করতে পারো। Probability. Request. May I go to the park? Okay? So, if you like this video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel English Funda Kolkata. Till then, goodbye. See you again on the next video. Thank you.